What's up, guys? So I got a new toy. Doing a little different unboxing here. I'm getting ready to. I just picked this thing up straight up from the store right now. So just came out, and it's, I guess you guys want to know what it is. So I got the low-C LMT. I went with the son of a digger rather than the Gravedigger. This one's blue. I like the blue better than the green. It's a ready to run kit, and it's supposed to be super beefy and ready to rip. So let's do a little unboxing here, and then hopefully rip around this little park here. So let's unbox this bad boy here. Sorry, my car is a little messy. Let's set you guys down for a second. And there it is. Sweet little paint job, sticker job on it. Held in there nice and safety by all this cardboard. Let's take this back one out first, see what's in here. So, instruction manual, bunch of little extra goodies, controller batteries, some extra mounts, extra battery straps. There's the controller. Comes with the Spectrum controller. Set that in there, and looks like this thing's tucked in kind of tightly there with that. So there, I pulled it out of the box there. So it's packaged nicely. It's always nice. And there's half of it unwrapped. Looking pretty sweet. Ooh, and there we go. And just lifting it up, it is beefy. This bad boy's got some weight to it. Nice little suspension. I also have the SMT 10 built from scratch. This one comes with a little more things than that one. So it's got front and rear sway bars from the factory, which is nice. It's got a little less ground clearance, but it's got a lower level, which is technically how a big old monster truck is. So that's cool. This one, it's a built-in ring there. It's not like an exterior one. I have the J Concept wheels on my other one, and it's a additional ring. The center looks the same. I think these wheels might be slightly smaller than the J Concepts, but we can always toss those bad boys on mine later. And looks like it unfastens there and flips up. Drivers in there all cool. Got a built-in wheelie bar and this beefy axle there. So yeah, let's figure out how to flip this bad boy up. So looks like you just pull these two. Is there side ones? Oh, there is side ones. So you gotta flip those. And another one over here. So there's 4 pins for it to flip up. And there's where the battery goes. So everything looks pretty sweet. It's got lights built in. It's freaking awesome. Plugs in there. So I'm just trying to slap a battery in there. I bought a little adapter, hopefully it's the right one. And then we can go do a little ripping. What's up, guys? First little drive here. I had to change parks. I forgot a battery. Oopsie. So cool little area here. Got some cool little mounds. And let's take it for a rip. Do a little point of view first, and then I'll be sitting down for some close-ups. So nice, it has a on and off switch. If I can find it. Got lots of power to break those tires loose. Nice sweet jumps. Oh, and there's my first roll. But that's pretty good. Little bouncy, but well, that's kind of cool.